In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Copilot feature in Windows. This quick and easy process will enhance your experience by offering additional functionalities right there on your taskbar. We'll walk through it step by step, ensuring you can follow along without any hiccups. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, we'll begin by heading over to your Windows settings. This is your control center for making various changes on your computer. To get there, simply click on the Start menu icon, usually at the bottom left corner of your screen. Alternatively, you can press the Windows key on your keyboard, and once the Start menu pops up, locate and click on the gear icon, which represents the settings. It's vital to become familiar with this area since it's where you manage most of your system settings. Once you're in the settings, the next thing you'll need to do is look for the option labeled Personalization. This menu allows you to modify how your computer looks and feels, from your desktop background to the accent colors and, of course, the taskbar settings. Click on Personalization to proceed, keeping in mind that this is where we'll make the necessary changes to bring the Copilot on board. Now that you've navigated to the personalization settings, look for the section marked Taskbar. The taskbar is the strip at the bottom of your screen where open applications, system notifications, and quick access tools reside. Finding this option is key to customizing what's available at your fingertips while using your PC. Click on Taskbar to move forward. Once in the taskbar settings, you'll see a variety of toggle buttons, each allowing you to switch certain features on or off. The one we're interested in today is labeled Copilot in Windows. When you turn this feature on, it makes an AI-powered assistant available from your taskbar, which can provide advice and assist you with tasks akin to having an intelligent sidekick at the ready. So go ahead and toggle this option on by clicking the button next to it. Doing so will activate the Copilot feature, enhancing your Windows experience with smart assistants. And just like that, you're done. The Copilot feature is now active and ready for you to use. You can benefit from its various capabilities directly from your taskbar, making your work on the computer not only more efficient, but also more effortless. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if you ever need to make changes or toggle the Copilot off. Keep exploring and enjoying your newly enhanced Windows environment. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. Have a great day and happy computing.